You can remove your IRS tax penalties in 3 easy steps. Step 1 is pre-abatement. You have to be in IRS tax filing compliance and make a resolution regarding your tax debt. Step 2 is draft your abatement, whether it's under the first-time penalty abatement or if it's under reasonable cause. Step 3 is to organize a packet, submit it to the IRS, and follow up. My name is Sergio Melendez, an enrolled agent Juris Doctorate. I have successfully abated millions of dollars on behalf of my clients regarding their IRS tax penalties. And I'm sharing you the 3 steps that you need to get your penalties forgiven by the IRS. So step 1 regarding pre-abatement process. What we mean by this is that you have to be in IRS tax filing compliance. Remember, IRS and forgiveness are not 2 terms that kind of go together, but we're requesting them to forgive a penalty, a form of way that they punish you for not being in compliance with regarding your tax filing. So you got to be all caught up in filing. And the second step is you have to be in some kind of resolution for the IRS tax debt. This could either be you have to be on some kind of payment plan with the IRS and already approved, or you have to pay the taxes in full already, including all interest and penalties. If neither one of these are an option, then you might want to check out one of the alternate solutions. And if you have complied with step 1, it's time to move on to step 2. Now, step 2 is you have to decide whether you do qualify for the first-time abatement of penalty or you have to use reasonable cause. Now, the first-time abatement of penalty is limited. It's typically only for the failure to pay, failure to file penalties. First, there's the target year where you owe. And in order to qualify for the first-time abatement of penalty, you must have the 3 prior years to the target year for you to qualify. Now, even if you have a small ding on any of the 3 prior years, you're not going to qualify for the first-time abatement of penalty, and you have to look forward to reasonable cause. So what is reasonable cause? All this means is what is the reasonable excuse? What is the excuse, the reasons why the IRS gave you a penalty? And this could be a variety of life circumstances for you, whether you yourself were sick, you got laid off from a job, or you're dealing with an immediate family member's health issues, a death in the family, or some kind of weird situation that which is out of your control, and a reasonable person in your situation might have done the same thing. Brings us up to step number 3, which is organize a packet. So the packet leads, number 1 is a great cover letter, but the cover letter is useless and meaningless if you do not have the right proofs. But what the cover letter should do is should give a GPS roadmap and explanation of what type of proof you will be submitting. In addition to that, part of the packet is Form 843. Now keep in mind, every packet is for a different tax year, and you're making a request for each of the years. It's a different packet for each year. So sum it all up, organize the packet, and submit it to the IRS, and the IRS must respond to you in writing. And if you're looking for other ways to completely eliminate your IRS tax debt, check out the Ultimate IRS Tax Relief Guide. It has 13 chapters of everything that you have to know about resolving your IRS tax debt. If you're hitting some dead ends regarding IRS tax balances or the procedure, if this is just too confusing for you, we do offer a free one-on-one case review to see if you qualify for services. If so, give me a call. My phone line is open 24/7 for you to schedule an appointment or book online where you have access to my calendar. We look forward to helping you out.